Get down!
The town is gone.
Can't smell the garden, can't smell the rain, can't even smell the factories that they tell me used to plague. The smell of the garden, it fell in the rain, but not through the window that I built against. World outside, so cold we hide away. Listen to the noise, it provides all I need. We're whole and so serene. Sit in box and learn to dream. As we look to the future now, we already feel it's already changed the way we see the reasons why we're here. It's not for the garden, it's not for the rain, it's not because you learn from a little box that life can cause you pain. World outside, we're told to hide away. Listen to the noise that describes you and me.